Welcome to Perk, your all-in-one platform for travel and spend. In this video, you will learn about the journey of a hotel booking through Perk. This includes everything from the initial booking of a hotel to creating a trip expense, getting your expenses approved, and exporting them at the end. Depending on your company's configuration and applicable policies, the options available to you may differ slightly from what you see in this video. So let's begin. If your company uses Perk events to organize and oversee group travel and events, you can view your upcoming events in the Events menu. Click on an event to access further information and indicate whether you will be attending. The organizers may also ask you additional questions to gather necessary information for the event. Start a new travel booking by clicking on Travel, Book in the navigation bar, or directly within in the event. You can now book your flights, trains, cars, or hotels for your trip. Go to Stays to start the hotel booking process. Enter the date, destination, and travelers for your trip, then click Search Stays. Define your filter options. Select a hotel, a room, your preferred rate option, and click Select Rate. Review the booking details and click Continue to Itinerary. You can also add other bookings. Name your trip and continue to check out. Make sure the traveler's details are correct. Complete the payment and reporting details, then click Confirm and Pay. You'll receive a booking confirmation per email. Now that you have booked your hotel, switch to the Spend My Tasks menu, where you should see your hotel booking imported as a travel expense. Please note that it may take a few minutes for it to appear. Most of the expense details have been pre-populated, as has the payment method. You can either submit it directly or create a trip expense to record any further expenses and per diems incurred during your summer event. Enter your trip itinerary and details to create your trip. Include any suggested expenses that have previously been created, fall within the same dates as the trip, and have them added next to the automatically populated expenses like per diems. Click on Add Expense to create new expenses or find previously created ones, such as our hotel booking, which doesn't fall within the same time frame and will therefore be added as a pre-trip expense. Please note that only current or past expenses can be submitted in Perk. Expenses that will happen in the future cannot be submitted yet. Assuming the summer party has already taken place and you have arrived back home, you can finalize your trip by adjusting the per diems, like for meals paid for by your company, and submit the trip to trigger your company's individual approval workflow. Our trip is forwarded to a manager user, and in the Spend Approvals list menu, the manager can find the trip, including our hotel booking. They are presented with the option to approve expenses individually or multiple expenses at the same time. They can also send back or reject expenses if they don't comply with company policy or contain errors, for which a comment is required. Once approved by the manager, the trip expense is sent to the finance team for final review. In the Finance Review Expenses and Invoices menu, a finance user can find the trip, including the hotel booking, and is presented with the options to review, send back, or reject. Additionally, they are authorized to update expense values and adjust per diem modifications, etc., to ensure that everything is correct and in accordance with company policy. Once an expense has been reviewed, it is ready for export. Depending on your company's configuration, this can be done automatically or manually. After selecting a posting date, your export will be generated. The export log records all export jobs, including the current one. Your company can use either a file-based export to transfer data or use an API-based integration to transfer the data directly to your ERP or accounting system. Finance users can download the CSV booking file, which shows the exported expenses converted into journal entries. Each expense results in debit and credit postings, as shown here for our hotel booking. These postings show which expense account in the general ledger the expense category is linked to, which account it will be booked against, and which cost object it is allocated to, along with the amount and any other relevant information for your ERP or accounting system. Now you know what a typical journey for a hotel booking through our travel and spend platform can look like. Thanks for watching and have fun exploring Perk.